channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't ever miss an upload from me. And if you're an OD but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back for another video. So today I'm going to be sharing my fall decor with you guys, and I definitely went the non-traditional route this year. So it's not the expected orange and the warm tones that you usually see, which I absolutely love, but I just wanted to do something a little bit different. So I'm going to be sharing the dining room, the living room, and the kitchen with you guys. And then after the tour, I'm going to be sharing some candles and goodies that I picked up from Bath & Body Works. I have two huge, like I can't even pick them up, that's how heavy they are. I have two huge bags. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys some of the candles that I picked up and let you know the different ones that I'm obsessed with and that I'm loving. So if you're interested in seeing that after the tour, make sure you stay tuned. So we're starting off with the foyer, and this is on the right hand side as you come through the front door. So I decided to spruce it up a little bit for the fall season, and I just have a lot of different knickknacks. The basket on the side is from World Cost Market. The actual table is from House, and the knickknacks that I have on the table are from TJ Maxx and Home Goods. And if you guys are interested in the designer inspired books, I will have those linked below. The full length mirror right beside the table is from Pure One, and that's just what we have going on in the foyer. And then on the left hand side, we have the dining room, and we're actually getting ready to give it a little bit of a facelift. We're gonna redo the built-ins. We wanna do something a little bit more modern, but that will be after the holidays. So for the table, I just kept it really simple. The pumpkins are from Z Gallery, and the little flower candle holder is from Macy's, but I'm pretty sure TJ Maxx and Home Goods has those now. The silver candle holders are from Bath & Body Works, and the black runner I got from Amazon. So yeah, I just kept it really simple. I didn't want anything that was going to be too over the top. And I'm also going to redo the window treatments, but this is just what we have going on for now. Just really simple. So now moving on to the living room, I definitely wanted to give my home more of a moody fall vibe without doing the traditional orange and the warm tones. I just wanted it to be more moody and just kind of sexy. So that is pretty much what we were going for in here, and I love, love, love the black. I think it looks so great, and it's just different from what I would usually do with our home decor. So I definitely wanted to step outside the box a little bit with that. So you guys probably know that the couch is from Z Gallery. If you're interested in it, I will have it linked below. And then here on the end table, I just have a few fashion books. The pumpkin I picked up from at home, and then I just have Marshmallow Fireside burning. The rug is from Rugs USA, and it was literally like $100. I absolutely love Rugs USA rugs. They're really great quality, and if you catch a sale, you can always get them for really affordable. I have another end table here in the corner. So the angel wings are from Z Gallery. I have another fashion book, and I'm burning Peppered Suede from Bath & Body Works. So here's what our living room looks like if you're standing in the back, and we have started on our fireplace, but it's not completely finished. We still have to get the ventless gas logs to go inside. So I'm super excited about that. I can't wait to have a cozy fire for the fall and winter months. So yeah, it looks a lot better than it did. So yeah. And then this little table I think is from Overstock, but they have it on a few different sites. It's on Z Gallery. It's pretty much everywhere, so I'll try to link it below if I can find it. But I just put a few black pumpkins and the Tom Ford book and just a few little knickknacks on here. The black pumpkins are from At Home, and the Tom Ford book you can just order from Amazon. I'll try to put a link below for that as well. Now for the kitchen. So I got a new kitchen table. If you guys remember, I used to have a round glass one, but I decided to go with this black wood rectangle one, and I got it from Pier 1. Absolutely love it, and I don't have to clean it as much, so that's definitely a plus. So I didn't add too much to it. I just got this little arrangement from Home Goods, and I thought it was perfect. Now for the middle island, I made this little arrangement from stuff that I picked up from TJ Maxx, and I think it turned out really nice. This arrangement is a little bit more on the traditional side, but I couldn't really find anything black that really complemented the kitchen, but I love that the wood tones really just make it nice and inviting. So I got the cutting board from Walmart, the thankful sign, and the pumpkin is from TJ Maxx, and the candle holder is from Bath & Body Works. So that was a really quick overview of the fall decor for this year. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're interested in seeing our master bedroom, I did a whole video on it, a clean and decorate with me. So I will link that video in the description box below. But now I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys some of the candles and goodies that I picked up from Bath & Body Works. I have 2 huge bags. So I went in store the other day. I actually had ordered some candles online, and I got maybe about 10 different ones. And some of the ones that I ordered online, I just didn't like the way that they smelled, because you know, you're pretty much guessing. Like, if you haven't smelled it before, you're like, am I gonna like this one or am I not gonna like this one? So yeah, there was a few that I purchased online that I just wasn't feeling, so I wanted to go in store and exchange them. And to my surprise, when I went in store, they were having $10 off all the candles, and I had a 20% off coupon. So I was just like, double whammy, I'm so here for this. So I went ham, you guys, and I always buy so many more whenever I go in store, because obviously I can smell them, and if I find one that I'm obsessed with, then girl, it's over, because I literally have to buy so many, because I'm always afraid that they're like gonna discontinue it and then I'm not gonna have it anymore. So yeah, I did find a new one that I have just been so in love with. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff to share with you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys the hand soaps that I picked up, and normally they have a really good sale on them. I think it's like 6 for $24. So these that I got, I absolutely love the packaging. So this one's called Almond Blossom, and it kind of has like the snake skin print, and I just like that it's very white and neutral. It'll go really nice in the kitchen. And then I got this one, it's Blackberry Lavender. I don't even know what this smells like. I literally just got it for the packaging. Absolutely love it. I love the gold detailing, and I just thought it would be really nice in our home because of the packaging. So yeah, I have a lot of these, but it's pretty much like the same fragrance. This one's white tea and sage, and as you guys can tell, it's kind of got like the marble look with the white and the black, so that's really nice. So yeah, I picked up a few of those. I'm not gonna show them all to you guys because that would be really boring. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start with the candles. So the first one I wanna share with you guys is called Peppered Suede, and I actually got this for Colton's man cave area because it definitely gives me like a man vibe, because it smells just like cologne. And on the description, it just says soft amber wood and black peppercorn. So yeah, I don't really know what that's supposed to smell like, but this definitely smells like a men's cologne. I think I picked up about 3 of these. So yeah, I'll probably run across it again here later. Another one that I've been obsessed with is this Blueberry Maple Pancakes. So I've been burning this one a lot, and this one smells so good. It's not really sweet. It does have a hint of sweetness to it, but it's not going to be like overbearing if you're burning it, you know, for like an hour or so. But yeah, it just says wild blueberries, griddle fresh pancakes, warm maple syrup, and essential oils. And it literally smells like all of those things, like you're making blueberry pancakes. So I really love it. The next one, of course, this is an OG. This is Pumpkin Pecan Waffles, and you guys know that I absolutely love this one. And if you've been using Bath & Body Works candles for a while, then you know that this one's really, really great. So yeah, it's kind of similar to the blueberry pancakes, but it's waffles and it's pecan, so I guess it's not similar, but yeah, it just says maple syrup, golden waffles with pumpkin spice. So yeah, it's really, really good. It's very warm and it just smells like you've really just been in the kitchen whipping up something. This, you guys know, I am obsessed with. This is Marshmallow Fireside, and I have been using this one for a lot of years now. Like, I don't even know how long. It's definitely an OG of the Bath & Body Works candle. So this next crate has the candle that I have been so obsessed with, which is the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. And this smells so good, you guys. It's very feminine. And it just has like this hint of kind of like perfume to it. It smells really, really good. The description says pumpkin latte, toasted marshmallow with praline, musk, and essential oils. So I don't know, but it smells so good. Trust me when I tell you, this smells legit. So I got a lot of these. This whole crate is pretty much marshmallow pumpkin latte. I love it. So I have one more bag to share with you guys, and I pretty much have 2 crates in here, but they ran out of crates, so we just kind of had to sit those candles on top of the other ones. But the next candle is pumpkin apple, and this one smells really good. It literally smells just like fall. It smells like fresh red apples, and I really, really love it. It's not anything that's going to be too sweet. It's just really nice and fresh. And then I have another blueberry maple pancake, so you guys can definitely tell that I love that one. And then another marshmallow pumpkin latte, because that's a favorite of mine too. And then this one is pumpkin cupcake. So I wasn't really sure how I felt about this one, but I kind of think it's growing on me. I can definitely smell the cinnamon in this one. It's kind of a spiciness. Yeah, it smells a little bit more cinnamony than I was expecting, but I guess the cinnamon is the pumpkin in this one. And then this next one is caramel pumpkin swirl, and this reminds me of a pumpkin spice drink from Starbucks. It literally smells just like that. It's not too sweet. Based off the picture, you would think that it's really sweet, but it's not too sweet. It does have a little bit of a cinnamon fragrance to it, so I think that kind of takes away from the sweetness of it. So I really like that one. And then this next one is pumpkin peanut brittle, and I always like to get a few of the pumpkin ones because I just feel like I can just mix them and they just all blend together really well. And a lot of you always ask me, do I mix my candles or do I burn certain fragrances at certain times? Normally, I'll just burn whatever, whenever. I don't really have a specific, fragrance to mix or anything, but I do like to mix the pumpkin ones because I just think they really blend nicely together. So yeah, I think this one smells just like peanut brittle. It just smells like all things fall to me. And this next one is warm apple pie, and it literally smells just like that. Like, when you burn this one, you are going to want some apple pie because it smells so legit. It literally smells just like warm apple pie. Like, they did a really, really good job with that one. It has got it down to the T. This one is frosted cranberry, and I just feel like this one reminds me of just the cooler weather in general. I can burn this one in fall and then also during the Christmas time. So yeah, it's just very fallish, but then it also reminds me of the holidays, and I guess that's the cranberry fragrance in it. So this one's a really good one as well. And then I have another peppered suede, which is the one that I'm gonna put in Colton's man cave. And then this one is flannel, which if you've been using Bath & Body Works candles for a while, then you know that this is an OG, and it has been around for a while. It smells really, really good. It kind of has like that cologne fragrance, but not like the ones that are very, very strong. I don't know, it's really nice. So yeah, I really like this one. It just says that it has mahogany, soft musk. So I guess it's the soft musk that kind of gives it like that cologne fragrance, but it smells really, really nice. This is an OG candle, flannel. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. I'll try to link all of the candles below in case you guys are interested in any of them. Again, thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye!